Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this special offer which is going on these days on the occasion of Eid. So I got this and it has a strawberry flavor which is 500 ml ice cream, and the other one is vanilla which is 1000 ml. So let's open it. Here comes the scissor. And the other box. So here comes the vanilla. So these are the two boxes which I got. So this is the vanilla flavor and it's from Lulu brand. What else? So they have given something free, which is the strawberry one is free with it. So let's start with the strawberry one. Over here it's written open. You just need to pull and then it will, I think it's more like frozen. Let me handle it. So now the ice cream is here. The amazing pink color, the strawberry pink color. Let me taste it. Really nice. So summers are here. Ice cream is must in summers. Loved it. Let's take the vanilla one. Over here, the open. And you just need to pull the upper part. Come. And here's the vanilla. Nice. Vanilla is like the normal average one, but strawberry is tasting really nice. Loved it. So friends, do try these ice creams. My mouth is like chilled. It tastes yum. The brand you know, the flavor you know, go and try it. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.